Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's outfit ideas using my favorite color combo.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
All right, y'all, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment at the end, and I want some black hearts. I'm gonna tell y'all now, we want to stay in the algorithm, y'all. I'm trying to hit 15K by December 31st. And if y'all help me out, I could actually hit 15K in a day. So make sure y'all are liking the videos, y'all are commenting. Engagement means everything right here on YouTube. And most importantly, share the video. Now, let's get into it. Y'all know your girl is 50 and fabulous now. And baby, these eyes have started playing tricks on me. And I have a new prescription and I have a new pair of glasses. What happened is I'm finding myself, because I have these black glasses, let me just show you. I'm not wearing them for this video today because they leave a print right here on my nose and I don't want my makeup messed up. But these are my glasses. If you follow me, you've seen them. These are my glasses. Now I'm taking them off. I have found myself trying to find outfits that match the glasses. Not necessarily match the glasses, but that coordinates with my glasses. Yeah, pretty much, yeah, match the glasses. My favorite color combo is what I've been gravitating towards with these glasses. And I decided, you know what, let me just do a video for my GWURLs, showing them my favorite color combo. And I'm using only pieces from my closet. And also remember, whatever I can find will be linked in my LTK. Actually, my LTK is linked in the description box. My Amazon storefront is also linked in the description box. But some of these pieces are already linked. And what I don't have linked, if I can find it, I will link it. So just make sure you check the description box. So now, let me put these glasses down and let's get into it. Okay. A little disclaimer, y'all know I'm a big body shaper girl, but I'm not wearing a body shaper in this video. But whenever I wear these pieces, I will definitely have on a body shaper. As a matter of fact, I have that video coming to you, the shapers that I use and the shapers that I wear the most. So be on the lookout for that. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. So anyway, back to this. Up first is this outfit. You all have seen this top before. I wore this top for a Mother's Day brunch, and these are the jorts, the jeans that were featured in my Best Jeans for Curvy Girls video. And I told you in that video that I will be cutting this particular pair of jeans into jorts. So let me just show you without showing y'all all my goodness. I paired this top that's from Rainbow, but I want to show you how I will spruce this up if I'm actually wearing this outfit out somewhere. First thing I'm going to do, because it's a strapless top, I can either wear a necklace and earrings, but today that's not what I'm doing. I am putting on these earrings. I'm going to show you. I'm wearing these earrings. Okay, earrings are on, and whenever I wear a black and white stripe, it's just a thing that I do. I like to pair leopard with my black and white stripe. So I'm going to pair a black bracelet, like so, and I already have my rings on. My bag, and y'all know I love leopard, and I'm gonna step back just a little bit. This is a dress down look. It's actually an elevated casual look. And because my earrings are kind of hanging, I don't have to put a necklace on. Whenever I wear earrings that are kind of chunky, big, statement earrings, I most of the time will not wear a necklace. Because it's black and denim, you can really pop any color, any print, anything with it. So today I have the leopard, and I have to top it off, y'all, with some sunnies. Now, I'm gonna put them on just to give you the look, but these particular shades leave prints right here on my face. So, see the look? I'm not letting them sit on my face. Let me know at the end which look you like the best. That's you leaving your comment, okay? Okay, I'm back with another outfit. This is the look that I gravitate towards the most. This particular outfit, I'm wearing these high-waisted jeans. These jeans were featured in my Best Jeans for Curvy Girls try-on haul. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go watch it. This top is from Fashion Nova. Now, I told y'all I will link what I can in the description box. These jeans are already linked in my LTK. My LTK is linked in the description box. This top is from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is not on LTK. So if this top is not sold out, I would definitely link it in the description box. Now, some people say 50-year-olds shouldn't be wearing a crop top, but says who? You wear what you want. If you love how you feel in it and you are confident in what you're wearing, honey, wear it. Oh, and I have this elevated casual look paired with my Tory Burch sandals. So let me show you how I would spruce this look up. Let me show you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I have to have my bracelet. And this is a one-piece bracelet from Koi. Shop Koi on Instagram. And these are the earrings that I'm about to put on, which are also from Koi. Now, I love these earrings because they are different. So you can wear this earring like this, where the ball is in the back, or you could wear it the way that I'm about to. I actually like wearing these with the ball in the front because I've never seen any earrings that are made like this. They are so cute. I love them. All right, now y'all see that? Super cute. I absolutely love it. Now, since I have the gold bracelet, the gold earrings, but let me show you my bag. I would pair it with this bag because I carry my bag like this and I like the contrast of the black against the denim. And then I would top this look off. I love the indoor-outdoor sunnies. And these you can find on my Amazon storefront. Is she cute? It's gonna make the print on my nose and I don't want that. So this is the look, honey. The elevated casual look. Ha, I switched it up on y'all. I have a denim top with the black bottoms. Now this denim top is old, y'all. I've had her for a couple of years now. I got her from Rainbow. Now my skirt is from TikTok Shop. If she's still available, I will link it in the description box. Again, I cannot stress it enough. Make sure you check the description box. This denim top, I have not worn her, but I love the off the shoulder look. She's crop top and you can see just a little bit of my skin showing. Again, high-waisted bottom. Now, this, y'all know this is my problem area. But now, when I actually wear this skirt, I'm gonna wear a shaper that kind of smushed this in just a little bit more. You're gonna still see the pooch right here, but just a little bit more. Because I have on the denim top and the black bottom, I wanted to pop some color. I have the red lip, so I wanted a red sandal. Again, another elevated casual look. Now, let's zhuzh her up just a little bit. Is that even the word, zhuzh? Let's zhuzh her up. Now, I'm gonna use this same black bracelet. I need to put some lotion on my hand, y'all, so she can go on a little bit easier. Woo. Anyway, with denim in black, you could pop color, you could put a print, anything. Y'all know I love leopard. I can't remember where I got them. I did get them from a store on Etsy, but I don't remember where. I will check my Etsy account to see if I can see where I got them from, because it's been a couple of years now. If not, if y'all don't see it linked, that means I couldn't find it. Now, again, let me tell you, because it's off the shoulder, I wanted some earrings that would make a statement. And baby, she will make a statement when you go somewhere. And like I said in the first look, when I wear leopard, I love to pair leopard with stripes, mainly black and white, whether it's stripes or zebra. Yes, I love to mix prints, and it's okay to mix animal prints. It's okay to mix whatever you want because it's your style, it's your look, it's your way. And honey, she's cute with the pop of color on the feet, pop of color on the lips. Oh, and let me top her off. I would do these sunnies if I were actually going out somewhere. This is the look, honey. This is the look. Now, y'all know sometimes we're in the mood for all black. And some people, as simple as it is, some people don't know how to dress all black up or how to bring out the outfit when it's all black. But when it's all black, you can really do anything you want. In this case, this black kind of has a white wash going through it. Let me step up. Let me give you the outfit details. The jeans were featured in a Fashion Nova haul a while back. I don't remember, but if I can find them, I will link them. And my top is old, y'all. I've been having this top for like, I think 2 or 3 years, and I got it from Rainbow. So with this all black look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use my accessories as my denim. I'm gonna start with my bangles. I have to have a bracelet, y'all. And I am doing these 2 bangles. I got these from Rainbow. And the earrings. Y'all see my denim? Y'all see these? These earrings are also from Rainbow. When my hair is in a pony, I want a statement earring. I need my earrings to talk without me saying a word. Once I have my earrings on, my bangles, then my handbag. This is my handbag. I think she's in my Amazon storefront. I can't remember where I got her from, but I think it's Amazon. So, what you think? I almost forgot. Y'all know the sunnies, the sunnies. I would do the same gold sunnies. I would do the same gold since I have gold accessories, and this is the final look. I'm back with another all black look. Let's step back a little bit. I know you will see it in the video on the side, but just giving y'all a full glimpse of what the look looks like. Now, this dress, I actually featured the ivory color dress like this. It's from the Scoop collection. In my Walmart haul, these dresses were very popular for the spring. So I don't know if she's still available. However, she is linked in my LTK already. Now this look would be me going to church. So the first thing I would do, I would pair some bangles on the arm. The ones that I'm using, they're from Target, and honey, the stack is like this big. But I'm going to church, so I don't need that many. I don't need that many. I have 6. Okay, and then my earrings. Well, before my earrings, I'm gonna put a necklace on. Because the collar is high, I can do one of 2 things. I'm gonna wear a necklace, but I can also wear some longer earrings, some bigger earrings if I wanted to. If I were going somewhere else, that's what I would do. But I try not to have my look too gaudy when I'm going to church. Now, I don't mind when I'm going anywhere else, but when I'm going to church, I try not to do that. That's just a personal preference. Okay, so this is my necklace. I'm gonna move the mic down so. Okay, it's a U. It's a U for Ursula. These are the earrings I would wear. Simple, but still pretty, classy. Now, I have my denim heels. Oh, these heels, these bow denim heels are from Cape Robin. Let me take one off and show you. These are super cute. I absolutely love them. I've never worn them yet, not actually wore them out, but I will wear them. This entire look, I will wear to church. So if you follow me, you will see it. And this is my bag. This is my bag, y'all. This denim bag I got from Fashion Nova. She is, I think she's Chanel inspired. Now, what do y'all think? I love this look, y'all. I love the look. I could put the purse on my shoulder. Just so cute. I feel so cute. And actually, this is the last look. So if you are here with me right now, that means you made it to the end, and I appreciate you for watching this video. But I still need you to like it, comment, share, help me stay in the algorithm so that we can continue to grow. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel, okay? Share with your family, your friends, all of your fashion girls. And I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.